This video shows you how to replace the waste toner bottle of your printer. Open the front door, unlock, and then remove the waste toner transfer unit. To avoid spilling the toner, place the unit in an upright position. Remove the printhead wiper, and then clean each of the printhead lenses 3 times. Clean the printhead lenses regularly to avoid print quality issues. Put the printhead wiper back into place. Insert the waste toner transfer unit, and then lock it. Remove the used waste toner bottle. Insert the new waste toner bottle. Close the front door.